I like this stretch for your pecs way more than a doorway stretch. If you have a foam roller, go ahead and lie down on it, booty at one end, head at the other. Feet are on the floor. You're gonna come down into cactus arms. And I'm just a little bit below my shoulder height here, but I feel a nice stretch throughout the front of my shoulders here. One thing I wanna point out is sometimes when we come here, our ribs flare up. You can see mine are actually flared up right now. So think about pulling those ribs down and then come into those cactus arms and stay here for about a minute. You can play around with this. You can reach up and down. Maybe you feel it more when you come down. So we're getting pec minor and pec major here. And then if it feels good, you can roll from side to side, rolling over that levator scapula, rhomboid. Ooh, a little tootsie roll back there. But it feels much better. And I just like this because you don't have to correct your form as much as you do whenever you're in a doorway stretch.